Hi everyone, it's winter now and we should take care of our health each and every day. Winters are cold and misty and therefore we get coughs and colds very fast as because of low immunity. Therefore, to build up a strong immune system, nothing is better than gooseberry. In Indian language, it is called Amla. This fruit is rich in vitamin C and full of antioxidant and available mostly in winters. So from today only start taking this fruit and boost up your immunity. Every morning drink a glass of Amla Juice as it is very good for your skin and hair too and overall health. It detoxes your system too. Coughs and colds will not occur in your system if you daily drink a glass of gooseberry juice. You can eat raw too if you want with little honey. Otherwise, grind 4 amla and extract the juice and add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder to taste with a pinch of salt. It will taste good and the drink is so refreshing. If you want, you can add honey, but this is optional. So don't waste your time. Start drinking Amla juice from today, as this heavenly fruit is only available in winters only. So take care, friends. Keep watching my videos. Please like and share. Thank you.